In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save an email as file in Outlook. By the end, you'll know exactly how to keep a copy of any email on your computer in the format that makes the most sense for your needs, whether that's for archiving, sharing, or record keeping. Start by launching Outlook and heading to your inbox or whichever folder contains the message you want. You can double-click the email to open it in its own window, which gives you the full ribbon at the top, or simply select it in the message list if that's more convenient. Either way, make sure the email you want is highlighted or open so Outlook knows which one you're saving. Next, go to the File tab in the top left corner. This opens the Backstage view where you'll see several options. Choose Save As. That brings up the standard Save As dialog box. Here, pick the location on your computer or network where you want the file to live: your Documents folder, a project folder, or anywhere you'll remember later. From the Save As type drop-down, select the format. Outlook Message Format, or .message, is the best choice if you'll need to reopen the email in Outlook later, because it keeps everything intact: formatting, sender and recipient details, dates, and attachments. Text only, or TXT, gives you a simple, lightweight copy of the message body, great for notes or searchability, but it won't include images or complex formatting. HTML preserves the look and layout of the message and is useful if you want to view the email in a web browser. Your version of Outlook may offer other formats as well, so pick the one that matches your purpose. By default, the file name uses the email's subject. You can leave it as is or rename it to something more descriptive. Just avoid special characters that aren't allowed in file names. When you're happy with the name and location, click Save. The file is now stored locally. To open a save.message later, just double-click it, or drag it back into Outlook to view it like any other email. If you need a PDF instead, open the email, go to File, then Print. For the printer, select Microsoft Print to PDF. Click Print, choose your save location, give it a clear name, and save. This creates a PDF copy that preserves the layout and is ideal for sharing, without requiring any add-ins. And that's it. Thanks for watching.